everyone, welcome back to my channel, my home on YouTube. Today's video is all about taking the one basic outfit, the base layer of it, and wearing it many different ways, or 3 different ways I have it for you. So I'm keeping everything very, the base layer of it exactly the same, and then just changing accessories around just to change that entire look of that same base layer, if that makes any sense. So basically I'm wearing my white shirt from Zara and my Levi's wedgies and a belt, and that is my base layer. And then I am gonna be changing accessories such as the shoes and the jackets and stuff to change up the entire look, and how just changing 2 things in your outfit of the day can change the entire look for the vibe that you're actually going for that day, if hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, so the whole idea of my channel is to take the basics that you have and things that you have in your closet, because I want you to be shopping in the closet, not constantly be going out and purchasing new things, is to be able to make those things that you have in there more versatile with not just one style of look, different styles. So from like chic to like a little bit more grungy. I do want to thank all of you guys that have been subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and I would love it for those of you that haven't subscribed. Please do consider subscribing. The red subscribe button is just at the bottom. That would be awesome. I do videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I try to show you guys versatile outfits that are in your closet without having to purchase new ones all the time. And don't get me wrong, people always everybody always wants to refresh their closet, but I mean, I do like to teach how you can use those same items over and over again to make it worth your while. Yeah, so that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all social media at CanbyRehaul. Like this video, comment down below, just let me know how you're feeling, let me know what you guys have been doing, let me know what you want to see next, just anything that you feel. And yeah, share this video, share my channel, that would be absolutely amazing. And let's get into the 3 different looks I have for you today. Okay guys, so I have one of the most basic outfits on, a white shirt, blue wedgie Levi's jeans, and then of course my favorite belt from Zara. You can put on any belt, any jeans, any white shirt, everything goes. Just your basic. You can put on a looser shirt if you like, but this is the basic. And here I'm holding a tweed blazer that I got from Zara quite a while ago. And yeah, so this is how the whole outfit's gonna change. So if you look at the entire outfit, I've also just put on my white cons. And you can just kind of go like this if you want. If it's a nice day, you don't need a jacket, nothing, you can basically go like this. I'm just gonna show you how a simple blazer literally will change the entire look of the outfit. So of course you can put on a pair of heels with this if you like, but I like it just like that. It's nice, it's simple, you've got a little bit of color, but you've got your basic on underneath with your cons underneath, so you're comfortable at the same time, but you're chic because of it's a tweed blazer, and you're trendy at the same time as well. So this guy I love. I think it's amazing. It's such a nice, trendy, chic outfit. So now I have added I kept the same base layer, and I added a pair of heels underneath. They are a very light beige neutral color. So it still kind of matches the white, because the shirt is very white. It's like a bleached white. So it still matches that. And then just adding like something floral on top. This is gonna give your whole outfit a little bit more feminine vibes. So the very first one was very chic, very Chanel inspired, whereas this one is gonna give you a little bit more of a feminine vibe, and the beige in the shoes actually matches the blazer really well. And so again, like I'm saying, the base outfit is exactly the same, and we all have blue jeans and a white tee, and just tweaking it here and there and changing little things can change the entire look. And this blazer is from Aritzia. I got it quite a while ago, but like when you're investing sometimes in like pieces like this, they can last you a long time. And yeah, I love it. It's floral, it's springy, it's amazing. Love it. Okay, so now again with the same base, I've made the same outfit a little bit more grungier by adding my Doc Martens, and then I'm gonna add just this camo jacket on top, and the whole outfit has changed into those of that like to wear something a little bit more grungy. I'm into all three of the styles depending on what sort of mood I'm in and what sort of style I'm in. Majority of the time I would probably go for like maybe the first outfit and then just switch maybe even the blazer once in a while. I'm not too much of a heel person that I wear all the time. I like to keep the sneakers on, or I would go for something like this. This is one of my favorites. It's comfortable, it's not too warm. I know it's a little bit more of a warmer shade, and people would think like, can I really wear this in the spring? But yes, you can wear it in the spring because you've got that white underneath as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the 3 outfits that I put together for you, so you can kind of use it as an inspiration in your own wardrobe. And before I let you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put videos out every Monday, Wednesdays, And Fridays, like and comment and follow me on all social media at Canby Rehaul. Positive vibes to all of you guys out there, and I will see you guys all next time.